evening, Namaskar. On behalf of the directors, advisors, and the staff members of Falashruti, I extend a very warm welcome to all the students to the first activity of the academic year 2021-2022. As you are all aware that the second wave rapidly disrupted the normal life across the world, but I wish to congratulate all of you as each one of you have faced the challenge so bravely by staying indoors, healthy, happy, and eventually got used to the new normal that is the virtual learning. And now I'm very sure that you are desperately waiting to go back to school, meet your friends and your teachers, and have lots of fun. But your safety is a big concern and a challenge too. And it is here that Falashruti comes to your rescue and help you to make all your dreams come true. I am Mrs. Beena Gole, the retired principal of Swami Vivekanand High School and Junior College, Chembur, and now I am the advisor at Falashruti Shikshan Mandal. As you are all aware that our Indian education system is examination oriented, we trust on the marks that are awarded to us by the board. But Falashruti has a very well earned reputation for guiding and preparing the students for the SSC and HSC board examination. What distinguishes Falashruti from the other coaching class culture is that Falashruti channelizes your energies to make you think deeper and in the right direction. It makes your preparation simpler, straightforward, and stress free. Therefore, our students normally say that scoring is a trend at Falashruti, whereas we say training our students is our culture. And that is how we have been able to get excellent results over the past 3 decades. You can get more insight about the way Falashruti functions through the presentation which I'll be sharing with you right now. Our first slide is of Goddess Saraswati, is an epitome of education and knowledge. Let us invoke her blessings and start with our remaining slides. The Board of Directors take this opportunity to cordially welcome all our dear parents and students to the orientation program for the SSC students who have been admitted for the 5 test series. And I am Mrs. Beena Gole, the Chief Advisor of Falashruti Shikshan Mandal. The agenda for today's orientation is we would be discussing about what is Falashruti, what are the standard operating practices, what are the other activities of Falashruti, which we'll be seeing in different slides. The activity of paper writing at home under the parents' supervision, uploading of answer sheets in the Google Classroom for online assessment and returning the corrected answer sheet by the examiners, online one-to-one guidance to every student by the moderator. I think one slide we have skipped, madam. The previous, yes. Distribution of writing materials for all test papers to the students at the centers allocated. Online orientation for parents and students, which we are having it right now. And viewing of the subject guidance lectures videos. We have done with this. Next. As per our agenda, the first point that we are going to discuss is about what is Falashruti. Falashruti is not a coaching class, but it conducts only test series. We have 5 test series, we have 3 test series, both for English medium as well as for semi-English. 5 test series is exclusively for the English medium students. Falashruti focuses on enhancing one's writing skills and practicing time management, which is very, very essential because without practicing time management, it is extremely difficult to complete the paper on time with correct presentation, with writing skills. It's quite difficult. Therefore, we train the students on the writing skill part as well as on the practicing time management. We also provide you an opportunity to have face-to-face session with the subject experts after the assessment of answer papers. Falashruti Shikshan Mandal is an institution which is run by a group of experienced teachers. It was started 30 years back by a team of dedicated and experienced teachers. Students are taught how to master the writing skills according to board expectations, presentation techniques, and better time management. Just studying the subject and writing the paper is not enough. The fact that what we write, is it up to the board expectation or not, we are not very sure. Hence, Falashruti takes the initiative of guiding the students of how to write the answers within the
आवाज काहीच नाही
span.
बघ रे.
Hello, can you hear me?
हर्ष आवाज काहीच नाही बघ.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Uh, the slide back. Okay, it's we help the students in mastering the writing skills according to board expectations, presentation technique, and better time management. We also provide subject-wise guidance on one-to-one basis after each paper is solved. Falashrutis were way back from 1990 to 2006. There were 468 students in the merit list. But after 2007, since the board discontinued with the merit list system, till date, from 2007 till date, we have over 2,000 students who have scored above 94%. The popularity of a class 10 test series grew in leaps and bounds. Due to the demand of our ex-students, Falashruti started test series for class 12, arts, science and commerce. These 10th standard students who passed out 10th and when they came to 12th, they felt that they were missing something during board examination time. They did not, they were lacking confidence. They were lacking that writing skill practice. So they approached Falashruti and requested them to continue with the same procedure of test series, conducting test series for the 12th standard students. And that is how the 12th arts, science, commerce students are able to avail of this test series facilities which Falashruti has been conducting for several years. The standard operating procedure would be the first and the foremost point is maintaining the health and safety of every student. Is not only the students but even the staff who visit the centers is of utmost importance to us. Following the social distancing norm and keeping the health and safety of the students in mind, we have converted ourselves from offline to online virtual guidance, and we also now we have decided to become paperless by submission of answer papers. Once you write the answer papers, you are going to convert those answer papers into PDF format and then upload it in the Google Classroom. So submission of your answer paper is also going to be online, whereas correction of the answer sheets by the examiners is also going to be online, and the examiners are going to upload the corrected answers in the PDF form in your Google Classroom. Once that happens, we will start with the face-to-face guidance. Next. Modes of communication. We have contacted you through your email. With the help of the email that you had written down in your Google in the form, admission form, we have retrieved your email IDs from there, and with that help, we have formed a WhatsApp group, and now we will be forming the second group, and that is your Google Classroom group. So communication is the most important factor in this whole program. So without proper communication, it is very difficult to contact each other and spread the message that we want to give. So we will be now concentrating on Google Classroom and email, which we are going to provide to you very soon. Within 2-3 days, we'll be giving you new email IDs. So we will be concentrating and communicating with each other through these two modes, so that we'll be able to be in touch with each other. And if you have any doubts, you can contact us through the email IDs. Next. Falashruti will be creating unique email ID for each student only for Falashruti activities. Along with the email ID, you will also be given a password, and we request the students not to change the password and stick to the password, because it would be helping us in the near future in case of any problems that you are facing from your end. Therefore, the password should not be changed by any of the students. Hereafter, all communication from our side will be done on this new mail ID, of yours. Instructions regarding the Google Classroom will be given to you at the end of this session. The next activity which we are going to conduct during the year would be distribution of examination kit. On the 19th of August, most of you have received the examination kit, that is the introductory kit, which consisted of the main answer sheets and the supplements. You must have received the thread, the barcode sticker, the holograph sticker, green paper envelopes with Ghatkopar office addresses printed on it. Then you have got a thread packet, you have got the graph paper for math, you must have got the maps of India and Brazil. Set A question paper has also been given to you. The synopsis and the 25% reduced portion has been shared with you. And the next date of paper distribution is given in the schedule, which you will be getting shortly in your Google Classroom. We are going to post it in your Google Classroom, the next date of distribution of papers. Now, this is only for those students who have offered courier service. Others may not pay attention over here, but those students who have opted for courier service, please note that by now you must have surely got all the introductory kit which had couriered to you. But henceforth, for the remaining 4 test papers, you have 3 options with you. The first option is, if you want to continue with courier service, then you can please avail of VFast service. VFast is one courier agency. They provide very good services where they always promise that it will be delivered to the students, to the party on time. So you can avail of that VFast service and pay at your end. The papers will be available at our Ghatkopar office. They can collect the papers from us and deliver it to you, and you can pay it at your end. Second option is, we can email all your question papers on your email ID. This is the second option. Third option is, you can collect the papers from your nearest center, whichever centers we have organized. At those centers, whichever center is closest to your residence, you can approach the center and you can take the materials from that particular center. So now you have 3 options in front of you. You have to decide which option would you prefer to avail of, and accordingly, we will be sending you a Google form asking for your choice out of the above 3 options that we have mentioned. Please fill the same and submit to us so that we can continue following the option which you have shared with us, so that in the near future you should not be having any problem. Our next activity is today's orientation program, which is now being conducted. Then we come to subject-wise guidance lectures videos. I want to thank all the subject experts who have spared their valuable time for getting their for getting their subject guidance lectures recorded. We had made special arrangement to get it recorded, and these ready video links will be shared for some of the subjects with you very shortly. So after you see the subject guidance video lectures, you will start writing the paper. Do not start before that. Now these videos will be provided to you for most of the subjects, but there are some subjects where we were not able to complete with the shooting of the subject guidance lectures. For example, French composite. So wherever the videos are not available, we will be conducting live lectures for the students. And the timetable for the live lectures will be given to you well in advance so that you are prepared to attend the lectures. And the sessions will be recorded, and the link of these sessions will also be given to you so that you also have with you some substance so that you can refer whenever you have any doubt. In this subject video guidance lectures, it is not only the subject and the chapters which are going to be discussed. Along with that, the teachers are also going to discuss about the question paper pattern, the marking scheme, the hints that teachers will be giving, the tips the teachers would be sharing to present your paper, the study techniques, the evaluation pattern, the weightage of the marks, and the tips on writing skills. These are the crucial points where you will be getting lot of guidance, and I'm sure if you follow this guidance and put it into practice, you are nowhere behind the other students, and I'm sure you can reach the height and get very good marks in the board examination, provided you stick to the points which I've mentioned over here in this particular slide. The fourth activity is the paper writing activity. This is the crux of our whole program. The course itself is called as test writing. Test series means you have to sit and write at home. We are providing with you the question papers which are as per the revised board pattern. The 25% reduction was declared this year by the Maharashtra board somewhere in mid of July or end of July it was declared. And then we have revised our question papers and we have set the papers accordingly, and those papers have been given to you. Emphasis is given on developing the writing skill. Again and again, we are repeating on this particular point that writing skill is very, very important. Once you finish with the fifth paper, I am 110% sure that your confidence level is going to be at the top. You will build up the confidence by the time the last paper is written, and you have to memorize and recollect the instructions given to you during your face-to-face guidance. These are small, small tips, because if you just start writing the paper without knowing or without understanding the concept of writing the paper, suppose when you get a paper in your hand and you start writing, say question number 1, you are writing it. You keep writing without maintaining the time, and then by the time you come to the last question, you find that you are running short of time, and then you just scribble out the answer and then come out of the classroom. By the time when the results are out, you are disappointed because you have not got the marks which you were expecting. Why has that happened? Because you have not implemented the writing skills which were given to you. You have not implemented the time management factors. You have not implemented the presentations techniques. So that is why you have lost your marks over there. So keep all these things in mind. Memorize and recollect the instructions which your examiners and the subject experts are going to give you during your one-to-one session, and be sincere and consistent in your test performances, which will definitely bring you to greater heights. The first set of test papers was given to you along with the materials on 19th of August. Those students who are pre-test series, they are not there in this particular group. So we move ahead. All the papers which we have posted to you or will be giving to you will be written at home under the supervision of your parents. And while writing the papers, please do not refer to any books, textbooks, or the notes or the guides which you have with you, because if you have to refer the guide and write the answer, there was no point joining Falashruti. Here we expect from you to write from the board point of view. So these points which you are going to write will be as per the instructions given to you by your subject experts during the guidance lectures. So please do not refer to any other books, but rely on the matter which is given to you during the guidance lectures. The videos will clearly show you how they have to be prepared, how they have to be written, and follow the time schedule very, very strictly. Once you have completed your answer paper, convert the answer paper into PDF form and upload the answer paper as per the schedule given. So for writing the paper, we have prepared a timetable and we are going to share the timetable very shortly with you. Strictly follow the timetable, because if suppose the deadline given is say 15th of September, and if you do not submit your paper by 15th of September, we will be considering that paper as late submission, and we may or may not correct your paper, or we may delay in correcting your papers, and then you may be at a little loss. So to be on the safer side, you prepare a timetable, stick to your schedule, and upload the paper as per the schedule that we have asked for. The portion for the set A paper which has been given to you is 50% of the portion, because the schools have begun in the month of June, but many of the schools may not have completed the entire portion, and we don't expect the schools to complete the entire portion. So we have thought of the mental health of the students So we have kept only 50% of the portion after considering 25% reduction in that 50% portion. The second set of paper will be for 75% portion. 50% of the first plus additional 25%, keeping in mind once again the 25% reduction. So those the topics which have been reduced, no questions are going to be asked on that. And the last three papers will be for full 100 marks paper with 100% portion. Again, keeping in mind the 25% reduction. The beauty of the whole thing is all the 5 test papers which you are going to receive will cover your entire book, excluding your 25% portion. So you will not find any question repeated right from set A till set 3. That is the last set. All the questions are going to be new, and as a result of which, you will be completing the study of your entire textbook by the time you appear for the board examination. Along with that, every time you submit, after you submit your answer paper, we will be providing you with a model answer paper of the previous test. Previous test means now suppose September 18th is the time for submission of your first set of answer paper. Then at that time you will be given the model answer paper of set A, and you along with that will also receive set B question paper. So this is the way how the procedure begins. Next. Chalk out a timetable. This is for the parents. Parents, we request you to please chalk out a timetable for writing the test papers. And while preparing the test papers, please see to it that you maintain a gap of 3 days in between the two papers. It is difficult for the students to study at the stretch and write down all the papers at the stretch. Even the board nowadays keeps a gap of 2 days between the two papers. So we can also practice the same thing at home. And please ensure that the student writes the paper as per the timetable which you have prepared, but they have to study the subject before they start writing. There is no point writing the paper without studying. Please see to it that they study the subject thoroughly and then they start writing the paper. While they are writing, we request you to monitor, because this is going to be the first test for them, so they will get an idea how to write. So please monitor while writing the test so that they do not use any unfair means to write the paper. Once they finish with the writing of the paper, students, you convert the papers into a PDF form and upload it as and when the papers are written. You have got, say, 7 subjects. Don't wait for all the 7 subjects papers to be written. As and when you finish writing one subject, start uploading it. Because if you wait for all the 7 papers to get over and then you have to upload, it may so happen that while you are doing the PDF form, you may interchange some of the papers with of different subjects, as a result of which there may be some mismatch in the answer papers that you have uploaded in their PDF form in the Google class. So my suggestion is, as and when you finish one paper, start uploading it. Don't wait till the end. At the end, sometimes there are always some technical issues. You may have some internet problem at your end, due to which you may not be able to upload to. So to be on the safer side, start uploading as and when you start writing the paper and finish your paper. Just as you have a deadline to finish your writing and uploading the papers, similarly, our examiners too have been given a schedule to assess the answer papers and upload it within the stipulated period given to them. So once the papers would be assessed by the examiners within the stipulated period, they would be converting the whole thing into PDF form and would be also uploading in the Google Classroom. Students will receive a mail once all the subject teachers have uploaded their answer papers in the Google Classroom. Till that time, you will not be receiving any mail from our side that the papers can be accessed. So if you want to see your corrected paper, you will have to wait till you receive an email from our end. Next. Once you receive the paper, what are you going to do now? You keep your model answer paper with you, compare it with the answer paper which the teacher has sent returned back to you after correction, and you note down the points where you have made mistake. You should understand why your teacher has deducted your marks over there. What is your teacher expecting from you at that particular for that particular answer? Note down those points so that when the face-to-face guidance begins, you can discuss with your teacher, because it is going to face-to-face guidance is going to be one-to-one guidance like personal tuition. There will be nobody other than you and your teacher when the guidance lecture is going on, face-to-face guidance is going on. So you can be very freely, you can talk to the teacher, don't keep any reservations. Whatever silliest doubt also you have in your mind, you can openly discuss with your teacher and get your solution for that particular doubt that you are having. Unless and until you open up and get your doubts cleared, you will not be satisfied, because then you will be making the same mistake in the next paper. So to avoid all that those mistakes, it is better to clarify the doubt when you have the face-to-face guidance lecture. So whatever instruction your teachers have given in your during the face-to-face guidance lecture, do not repeat the same mistake when you're writing set B. So what we have done this time is, unless and until you finish with the face-to-face guidance of the first paper, you will not start writing the set B paper. You will have to wait till all your guidance lectures are over. I hope this point is clear to you. Then after that, when the teachers finish the correction and then you start seeing the paper, you will be given a timetable in advance. You can go through the timetable and accordingly you will attend the face-to-face guidance session that we are going to conduct. These sessions will be conducted throughout the week. We will be having some of the lectures even on Saturday, Sundays, and some of the lectures we are going to keep in the evening time, so that the students do not miss out on their school, as well as you do not miss out on your face-to-face guidance. For each of the face-to-face guidance, we are going to provide you with the links. You will join the link and then come to the Google class to attend the lecture. Technology is the need of the hour. As you know, because of this pandemic, we have all become virtually, we have become techno-savvy, and therefore we have introduced, last year we had introduced the Zoom platform for some of our activities, and some of the activities were conducted at the center, like distribution of answer paper, collection of the answer sheets from the students, distributing it to the examiners, again collecting it back from the examiners, returning it to the, it was such a long drawn procedure, it was so tedious, and the safety of the persons, the staff who used to carry on these activities was also at a great risk. So we wanted to become paperless, and hence this year onwards we are trying to become paperless by converting everything into online, right from uploading of the answers, assessment of the answers, guidance which we had already converted into online method. So we will be continuing the same method but on a different platform. So instead of Zoom, we are not going to take Google Class. Now I am sure most of you know how to operate a Google Classroom, yet we will be providing you with the videos of how to join the video class, how to enter the Google Class with the help of your mobile and other things. Those slides I am going to show you later on. So what is a Google Classroom? It is one of the best platform for smooth workflow, both for the teachers as well as for the students. It creates a paperless environment, which is the need of the hour. The best feature is it is a very ideal tool for the students because the communication is quite faster and it saves time and increases our output too. Teachers would be posting their assignments and announcements on the Google Classroom so that you can see and you can implement whatever instructions are given to you. The papers, as soon as they are corrected, the gradation also can be seen in the Google Classroom, both by you as well as by your parents. From the student perspective, each, as in the beginning I said, that each one of you will be getting a unique email ID and a password which will be used only for this Falashruti activity. You will join the Google class with the help of the link which will be provided. Keep checking the announcements posted from time to time. and the paper writing activity is to be completed within the scheduled period and converted to PDF and uploaded within the time schedule which will be given. You will also get an opportunity to access the assessed answer papers after you receive a mail from us that the papers are ready for accession. These are the videos that we are going to provide you: how to join Google Classroom with the help of the mobile, how to join Google Classroom with the help of a laptop, how to submit the PDF of the answer papers. All these instructions would be provided in the form of videos, and we are going to upload it in your class. Other than this, if you have any other queries, you may please write to us at info@falashruti.com. Let us respect the personal time of the persons who are the host at the WhatsApp group, the admin person, because all the time if we keep on sending messages on the WhatsApp group, it becomes difficult for us to keep replying to everybody's messages. So instead, your message or your doubt, you can put it up officially on the info@falashruti.com mail so that we can answer to you and solve all your doubts. Thank you for sparing your time. Now,
Sagama, Padama,